Alright guys, in this tutorial, in this CapCut on Android or iPhone, I'm using now an iPhone, but doesn't really matter what device you have. The same steps will apply to your device. Doesn't matter the situation. So now just open CapCut, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change resolution for social media in CapCut on iPhone or Android. So let's jump right into this video. I already have here a project, so I'll just click on this. And now here I have this really cute cat that I hope you find this cat cute. And now what do we have to do, guys, to change the resolution? Because I would like to, let's say, upload this, to post this video to my social media. So the resolution is different, right, for social media usually. And if you want also to post this on TikTok, as you know, on TikTok the resolution is really different. So what you have to do is to select our video, and then we have to go to, actually you don't even have to select the video, but because if you don't select the video, here you should see a lot of dashboard or a lot of options here, features, and if you click on, you just have to look for ratio. If you click on ratio, here is located right over here. I'll just screenshot the screen so I can show you. It's right over here. Ratio. All right. Now click on ratio, and here we have different options. We have for TikTok, we have for Instagram, we have for YouTube, we have for, and now a lot of resolutions. That these are just presets, but obviously you can select them here. Click on fit on. Now select the video. If you want for Instagram, just increase the resolution from here, pinch, and then with two fingers you can zoom in and zoom out. And now we have this really cute cat.